Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through a simple and effective way to organize your chats on WhatsApp web. If you've ever wanted to keep an important group at the top of your chat list for quick access, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code on the screen using your phone to sync your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side. Now, locate the group you want to pin. This could be a work-related group, a family chat, or any conversation that you frequently need to access. Click on the group to open it. Here's where the magic happens. With the group chat open, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. That's it. The group is now pinned to the top of your chat list. No matter how many new messages come in from other chats, this group will always stay at the top for easy access. This feature is incredibly useful for staying organized and ensuring that you never miss updates from your most important groups. You can also pin multiple chats if needed, allowing you to customize your WhatsApp experience further. If at any point you decide that a pinned group is no longer a priority, simply unpin it. To do this, open the group and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P again. The group will return to its original position in your chat list, and there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage your chats on WhatsApp web using a handy keyboard shortcut. Try it out today and make your WhatsApp experience more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.